This week is the start of something new. It's Alpha Grad Week.
We launched Alpha Prime a few months ago, and Alpha Prime is about the development of traders to turn traders that are already good and have a skill in trading, but want to take that one step further into a full-time professional trading career.
So we have 12 traders that have come. They're from all different backgrounds, walks of lives.
It's a 2-week program which consists of both education on technicals, fundamentals.
It's given them a flavour and a taste of everything and given them an understanding of the direction of steps they should be making to become a full-time professional trader and take this as a professional career.
Sitting here in between bankers, in between the big hedge funds, as somebody who used to trade from his home office, is in the heart and the city centre of London. How unique is the opportunity to be sitting next to people who are 2.4, 2.5, even $4 million funded, is what I've heard from some guys here. And I don't think there's any other place in the world where this is possible.
The atmosphere is just amazing. Most traders are lonely, and the fact that we're all together and we can talk about things that only true traders can understand, that makes a difference.
It's really nice to be in an environment where you're able to share trade ideas and just bounce off each other. Spend time with people who are like-minded. It's a really good environment.
The ultimate goal for this, hopefully we find some next Alpha Prime full-time traders.
But over the long term, I think our vision is to be trying to get every quarter, trying to run something like this. The professional traders that work for us can actually train them up. We're looking to find the next $1 million trader really. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how that transpires for a few people over the next 12, 18 months, and hopefully we can change their lives.
Range, which really meant something. So then, if you broke out of that initial balance and you was to return or break 50%, then I would automatically just go short, because I knew that was the fake out of the initial balance. This week at Alpha Prime, we've decided to launch a program where we can help educate existing traders that are already out there in the world, but they're sick and tired of sitting in their bedroom on their own. A number of them I've already spoken to where they are doubting themselves, doubting their strategies, doubting their plans, and already by teaming up with not even anything to do with me or Alpha Prime, just actively speaking to each other has really helped enhance their trading. So already it's a win for us. It's already a goal that we've achieved.
Do you think then in that case I should be looking to enter? Because if you ask me where would I be very happy to enter, it's here, right?
Mm-hmm. Hopefully there'll be some of the people that have attended the course that will be up on our radar, that will take on, give an account, and hopefully grow their trading to what they deserve.
No.
What's the law of averages? It's going to have a rest, it's going to have a pullback or a pause. Yeah. So then you create a bull flag or a bull wedge. Yeah. You oscillate for a couple of hours.
Can we find people in and around London that we know that are trading with us? They're doing quite well, so the stats are great. They're a bit younger. That they're wanting to get on and get in the trading space, but they just don't have either the credentials to enter a job in the city. So hard to get in a front office job in the city nowadays, to trade or to even be a junior trader.
Minus 2.5. You lose position 2, that means minus 5, minus 2.5. The experience has been amazing. I think it's a massive opportunity to fly all the way into London. I live in Amsterdam, have a trading floor there, so it's just amazing to connect with new traders, be in the city, be where the energy is, be where it's happening. Obviously the vibration of being in a big financial city and in a centre like Canary Wharf here in London is amazing and gives you a lot of good and new motivation, but also a lot of insights. A lot of good conversations with big players here, a lot of new traders as well who have been speaking and who have the potential to further enhance and increase my edge. So overall, great for my personal development, both on a personal level, but also on a trading perspective level as well.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you through example of the most recent non-farm payrolls report and how the market's moved, okay?
We have guest speakers coming in from various different exchanges, clearers. This is both education as well as hopefully giving some inspiration as to what can be achieved if you really do go the full mile in trading and take it full time. And the guys that really stand out, there is full-time job opportunities at the end of it to stay on at Alpha Prime with a salary, with a live funded trading account under Alpha Prime.
The only reason I'm not hitting it, I was going to look at the Russell, but I've obviously just missed it as well. But the RR is amazing, and also it's in quite a slope, and they fanned out a bit. So I'd rather wait for it to chop around.
Hi, I'm Freddie. I'm an Alpha Prime trader here out of the London office. I've been trading for about 5 years now, and I joined here about 3 months ago when it started. I think what the people in here who are wanting to become a prime trader should be really looking to is just doing a lot of research, especially a lot of them coming in are focusing on just very few markets. What I'd personally say is, from when we've been here with James and followed him through various firms, is really open your horizon and look for strategies that aren't just in sort of the main very liquid products like NASDAQ and S&P, but is also in cotton, wheat, corn. There's so many spreads and so many different products that are out there which are very liquid and very technical, but sometimes people aren't taking advantage of that. And so I'd definitely say open your horizons, do a lot of research, try build out more broad strategies which can be developed across multiple assets and asset classes. People need to start taking advantage of that, and that's what helped me as a trader as well, is seeing these markets and being able to adapt into them, and seen some very good edge in a few of them which I wouldn't have seen before. So and definitely another thing is, as much as you can, talk to James, talk to traders like myself and Sam and stuff. Like we're an open book. We'll tell you through our strategies. We're here as well to help you guys. It's not always who's got the most profitable account at the end of the few weeks. It's all about what we can turn you into in the future.
Most, if not all, traders are trading solo, so you might be trading, if you've got a 9 to 5, you might be trading at home in your spare room, in your spare room that you've turned into a trading office, or you're trading from your phone on the go. Most of you are trading solo though. When you come to a professional trading environment in an office where you're employed, or you're sitting next to another trader to your left, another trader to your right, and you're all trading, it's a much more collaborative environment. So that will, one, help traders share ideas, discuss other ideas, and help each other grow. As well as that, we're investing a lot of time into bringing in educators to teach in-depth technical analysis, in-depth fundamental analysis, how to read news. They've got premium news channels to give them real-time, fast, low latency news feeds that they can then not only understand what news is coming out, but also how to trade that news, how to interpret that news, and what other markets are going to be affected by this news.
I want to say this, for traders watching this, what can get you involved in a Futures Graduate Week? Well, you'll be selected, so there will be selection, there will be people constantly searching in and around areas where they say, right, this person's done X, Y, Z, there's some value in there. But what I would say is, if it was me on the other side of this and I was 19 again and I was looking to get into the city, whatever you're trying to do, whether it's broking or whether it's trading, make some noise, make some noise, get in the Discord, get on my case. My number's, you can always call me at any point. Say, look, how do I have a go? Approach us. How do I have a go? What credentials? And if you make enough noise, I'm sure, and you try and get in with us, as long as you've got something about you, whether that's eagerness to learn and you've got a little bit of trading knowledge, not a little bit, but you've got decent trading knowledge, and you have made some money doing it. You're not a professional seasoned trader, but you've got the ambition, willingness and attitude to learn, then the door is open.